There are plenty of places to visit within Divisoria, one of which is the Andres Bonifacio Monument na nakatayo front of the Tutuban Center by the National Historical Institute in 1971. Sinasabing si Andres Bonifacio ay pinanganak sa same site on the 30th of November 1869, pero ang sabi siya ay pinanganak in Binondo in a house along Calle Alvarado. Ang Tutuban Center Mall is also a must-visit, hindi lamang sa mga murang bilihin dahil ito ay air-conditioned at hindi ka mag-aalala na pagpapawisan agad. Now, punta naman tayo ng 168 Mall. Ang 168 Mall ay nasa pagitan ng Siem Recto, Santa Elena, and Soler Streets in Divisoria, Manila at binuksan noong mid-2000s. Mas komportable at air-conditioned din kumpara sa magulo at mainit na pagtiyangge sa labas lang ng DV o sidewalks. Ang 168 Mall ay bukas ng 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. It is a six-story mall, and although each floor claims to specialize in one product category, pretty much across every floor, you will see mostly clothes, maraming fashion t-shirts and undergarments, and also footwears. The mall is better known as a place to buy affordable clothes, wedding ensembles, and electronic accessories, pero it is also practically has furniture, lightings, and building materials. They also offer party supplies if you're throwing kids parties or simply wedding and birthdays. Pasok lang kayo and madami kayong mapagpipilian at sigurado ako doon.